Sanitizing high-touch surfaces. Practice 1, true or false? COVID-19 cannot survive on material surfaces. A, true. B, false. Answer, B, false. Fact, early findings suggest the COVID-19 virus can survive on door handles, plastic-coated or laminated worktops and other hard surfaces. Practice 2, choose the best option to fill in the space. Tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets, sinks are A, low-contact surfaces. B, high-contact surfaces. C, never dirty. Answer, B, high-contact surfaces. Fact, current evidence suggests that COVID-19 may remain on surfaces for hours to days. Practice 3, choose the best option to fill in the space. COVID-19 can survive on cardboard for A, up to 24 hours. B, 2 to 3 days, 1 week. Answer, A, up to 24 hours. Fact, after touching cardboard from deliveries, you should always wash your hands. Gloves will not prevent the spread. Practice 4, choose the best option to fill in the space. COVID-19 can survive on plastic and stainless steel surfaces for A, up to 24 hours, B, 2 to 3 days, C, 1 week. Answer, B, 2 to 3 days. Fact, clothing and other soft surfaces are harder to disinfect. It is not yet clear how long the virus can survive on the materials. Do not shake dirty laundry. Practice 5, answer the questions. To prevent the spread of COVID-19 through high-contact surfaces, you should them frequently. Use a bleach and water solution or other household sanitizing solution. A, clean and disinfect. B, aerate. C, wipe them down. Answer, A, clean and disinfect.